The value proposition that DINCO provides is to guarantee products and services 100% on time, 100% complete with precise execution by using cutting-edge software and technology to optimize the link between the technical team and the workshop. Among the functions of our technical team are 3D project modeling, automatic creation of programs for process machines, intelligent verification of the parts to be produced, project management, production preparation, plan times and optimization of production routes, beam and plate nesting, real-time production monitoring, productivity analysis, complete traceability management and correct scheduling of shipments to the site. Therefore, we support ourselves in a complete, digital and optimized management for metal construction, compatible with Industry 4.0. This creation, delivery and value capture has allowed us to ship products to repeat customers in Mexico, United States, French Guiana, Peru, Nicaragua and Asia.